We're doing something really dumb right now. So we are here at a boondocking spot and we pulled into our surprise. It is a Sunday, but there's a lot of locals here that are out enjoying the nice, beautiful day. And we don't really know where to go and we just kind of feel in the way. So we thought, well, let's try to go over here, except we have to go through a sandy patch and I'm super nervous because we've already gotten stuck with the trailer one time on this trip. I don't really want to get stuck again.
Let's make a Dodge commercial.
I'm so nervous right now. This is so stupid.
We are Kyle and Nicole, avid travelers from Michigan. In 2021, Kyle quit his job and we have been traveling across North America in our travel trailer while I continue to work full-time from the road. We love to create content showing amazing destinations, things to do, free camping spots, and RV life. We hope you will like, subscribe, and comment on our videos and join us for these fantastic adventures. You never know where we will pop up next.
Oh, it's no problem. What was I worried about? It's no problem. Woohoo! Check out our beautiful boondocking spot.
No problemo. Anxious Nicole worries about nothing.
Whatever. I mean, it's soft. You can see our track right here.
We got gringo power.
What is that?
Oh.
Blind optimism? We are in Baja today watching the eclipse. It is about 10 after 11 and the sun is starting to get covered just slightly by the moon. This is our current situation. We have a beautiful fire going. We are getting 0 watts of solar now. The birds, I don't know if it's because I flew my drone, maybe, but they are starting to freak out, especially the seagulls. They did not like the drone at all. A whale came by so close to shore and I wanted to quick get it with my drone, which I did not get, but I got some amazing shots, however. And we are actually, nope, there's one other Jeep down here, but other than that, just the other Jeep, there's nobody else here. This little building is the entrance to the boondocking area. We prefer the drive on the left. It is more gradual. The drive on the right is doable. It just has a bigger slope and hill. You could enter at the arroyo. It's a wash that cuts about halfway through the property. However, it is decently soft sand. There are 3 main ways you can go once you get in. If you go straight, it'll take you right out to the ocean. A lot of people that come for the day will park here, and fishermen. And right over here, that's where we went and we parked on that bluff. Beautiful view. If you go to the right, you'll have to drive through this area and you might get some brushing from these little bushes here. And then you go through a little bit of a sandy wash, but it's very short. But then you get to a really nice open area with lots of spots to pull out and have a great view right on the water. This side for me seems to have the most ample amount of spots, and it's all hard packed over here. Really cool out here today. We saw some people on the beach out here picking up trash. There was a lot of trash here and we didn't see it before. And Semana Sana was only a little over a week away, and that's a big celebration for Mexican people. They go to the beach and they spend a few days there and they don't really leave. And unfortunately, a lot of trash remains. And it's nothing against Mexicans. This happens in the United States as well. People just don't really pick up after themselves. And so we are super excited. We're gonna go out and help them pick up trash. They've already picked up several big black trash bags, and there's a lot more that can be picked up. This place is about 30 minutes from the Walmart in La Paz. It can hold many different types of rig sizes and many rigs. You just have to watch out for soft sand. Some of the beach has a lot of soft sand, and some of the roads in the interior of this area are soft too. When we arrived, we just pulled off to the side, and then we went and scoped out where we wanted to go. This place can be busy on the weekends with locals, but during the week there's not a lot of people that come here. There are some fishermen or beachgoers that like to come, but so far we haven't seen many people during the day, and they don't stay for long periods of time. As far as cell service, sometimes we range from 3 bars of 3G to no service at all. It's very hit or miss and not reliable, so if you do come here and need internet, I would suggest using your Starlink. One of the things I love about this place is the amount of cool birds around. There are so many pelicans, they're awesome to watch, and there's so many frigate birds just buzzing around. They're so huge, and I love watching them. One thing we did not enjoy about this location was the bugs. We had a terrible time with houseflies, and on our last night here, the wind had shifted and brought in a ton of these little beetles, which found their way into every nook and cranny of our belongings. Besides the beautiful scenery, the best thing about this location was the marine life. We saw dolphins go by and got to watch them jump and play, but the best part was I was ready and waiting with my drone for my whale to come back, and I got to capture some amazing footage of a mama humpback whale and her baby. They weren't even 1,000 feet from shore, and I followed them for several minutes, watching the baby swim from side to side and the mama just glide across the top of the ocean. It was so incredible to be able to get this footage, and so if you come here, have your drone ready.